smaller than my head, to be honest. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. If you're new here, my name is Tara and I make 2 videos a week that are all about fashion, beauty, travel and lifestyle. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm looking like a mess. I literally went to the beach this morning and my hair is beach-fied, definitely beach-fied. It's, yeah, a bit of a mess, but we're just gonna go with it because it's getting a little bit late today and I have to record this video today. I'm just so excited. I just can't wait to actually unbox this and show you guys so that I can start using it. I'm in love, literally in love. I make 2 videos a week all about fashion, beauty, travel and lifestyle, so if that's what you're interested in, make sure you subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. So today's video is another unboxing. This package arrived yesterday and I'm so excited. Honestly, I've not been this excited for a very long time about some of my packages, but it's summer now and there's lots of sales going on. I went a little bit sale happy. I'm just going to show you one of my items that I bought because, yeah, I feel like that one deserves its own little video. I was looking on the Farfetch website and I happened to come across a bag that I'd actually been looking at for a very long time. And on my recent trip to Austria, one of the journalists there actually had the bag in blue. And this was the first time I'd seen it in real life. It looked really, really nice, really good quality. And she was raving about the bags. Like, she said, like, the only downfall is that the chain is quite heavy. But I mean, if you're willing to live with that, like I am, so be it. Yeah, as I was looking on the Farfetch website on their sale, I happened to come across this particular bag and it was such a good discount, almost 50% discount. So I thought, yep, Tara, you gotta do it. There were 2 colours that I couldn't choose between. It was the one that I picked and a bright pink colour, and I kind of decided that pink was this kind of pink. It was a bit too out there for me. I thought I'll go with something a little bit more safer and perfect for summer. Anyway, I'm just gonna go straight into it. If you're not familiar with Farfetch, kind of like an online boutique, and they have lots and lots of boutiques all around the world. And when you order something online, it comes from that particular boutique in a Farfetch box. So this item came from Browns. The box comes like that and it's got all the Farfetch stuff. And then inside that came in a Browns bag, and then inside that is the goods. So I picked up a piece from Manu Atelier, and this is actually a Turkish brand, and this is probably going to be my first item that's actually a Turkish designer, so I'm super excited about that. That makes me really, really happy and really proud at the same time as well. This particular brand is stocked in Harvey Nichols, Selfridges, Farfetch. Just makes me feel so overjoyed. You can probably tell that it's a very, very small bag, but it's my new baby. So it comes in this really, really nice creamy pinky, I'd say, like a salmon colour dust bag with the logo on it, and it has like drawstrings there. And opening it, this is my new baby. This is the Manu Atelier Orange Pristine Micro Crossbody Bag. Now that is a long name. Pristine is the style name and it's a micro, so it's a tiny, tiny bag. It's so tiny that my large phone doesn't fit in it. But that's only because I have an XL, and if I had a normal size phone, it would fit. So I'm kind of going on that. That's probably the only downfall. Other than that, you can fit a lot in this bag, more than you think is possible, to be honest. Yeah, I love it. I'm just in love with the colour as well. I thought it was perfect for summer days, and it fits so comfortably on my shoulder as well, like across body and on one shoulder as well, which is really nice. This orangey colour, but it's not too orange. It's more like a muted orange, like a baby orange, I'd say. And I love the gold hardware all across it. So the logo there is in gold, and also the chain is gold as well. So it opens like that, and it's got a magnet just there. So it closes, so for like secure closing. And then when you open it inside, there's quite a lot that you can fit in here. It's got one zip at the back, got a card inside. So it just says about colour alteration, vegetable tanned calf leather. So like a little thank you note, how to care for the leather kind of thing inside there. So it's quite a deep pocket in the zip there. So you can fit like some money, anything that you kind of want to be extra secure in there, just in that little pocket there. And then inside here, you can fit a lot in there. Testing wise, I've tested a pair of sunglasses, my lipstick, my keys and my wallet, like my little card holder, and they all fit in there perfectly. Like I said, the only thing is my phone. Like it fits, but it just doesn't close. Like it will be like that. which I mean is not the end of the world, but I would want my bag to be closed. And to be honest, I have my phone in my hand 99.9% of the time. I mean, is it that big of a deal that it doesn't fit in my micro bag? I mean, it is micro, that is the name of it. Absolutely obsessed with this bag. I think it's so beautiful and the colour is just lovely. So this is calf leather. You can really see the craftsmanship has gone into this bag. Every single little part of this bag, the stitching, the paintwork on the outside of the leather, everything is so seamless. A very soft leather, but it's not soft like lamb's leather. That kind of loses its shape because it's so soft. This is quite like a durable, smooth leather, quite a resistant leather. It's not going to get scratched easily, which is good. And to be honest, these sort of bags are ones that you just chuck on and go. This was 50% off, so I bought this bag for £142, which in the grand scheme of things is quite cheap. I mean, it is a tiny bag. A lot of people will probably be telling you that's a lot of money for such a small bag, but I just love it. And when you consider that's 50% off, that's such a good discount. I'm just in love with it. The black of this bag and I think the white of this bag is still full price. So this is like one of their seasonal colours, which is obviously gone in sale. And I think this is the perfect colour for me. Really, really like it. Because at the minute I'm really into wicker and like wood colour. So I think this will go really, really nicely with that, with white. I think I could even get away with wearing this in the autumn as well. I think it's such a pretty bag. Smaller than my head, to be honest. Don't think I've ever owned a bag that's smaller than my head. I love this. It's a very different bag. It's quite like a rough looking bag, but I think the colour just makes it look really, really pretty and girly and feminine. So happy with this bag. So there we have it. That is my new purchase, and to be honest, I'm so happy with this purchase. The only thing that is like the downfall of this bag is it does not fit like an XL phone, but that's just something I'm gonna have to deal with like on my own. Nothing to do with the bag, please. No one cuts my bag because it doesn't fit my phone in it, but it does fit a lot of other stuff in it. And especially like when you're traveling as well, I feel like this is the perfect size. You can fit your passport, money, all your essentials and go. And it's just one of those easy bags that you can hide from EasyJet. Yep, really practical as well, to be honest, and I'm in love with this. I just think it's so beautiful. Yeah, this bag just makes me really happy. It's like the colour of summer. If there are any more of these in stock, I will link them down below, and I'll also link the pink that's also on sale if that's not sold out as well. This bag comes in a variety of different sizes, so it comes in the micro, the mini, and I think the medium, which is like quite a large bag size, but I thought this was the perfect size for me, perfect for summer holidays. The mini and above has a leather strap instead of the chain strap, but I really, really like the chain strap. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe down below. I make 2 videos a week, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.